Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMade Video, and today we're going to see how to insert a not equal symbol on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. How to insert a not equal symbol in your WPS presentation mobile, just going to show in this video. For an example, here I just going to click on this icon first, and if you're just going inside the insert option, you can't find the insert symbol option here because there is no insert symbol option. So instead of that, you can just use your keyboard as an alternative. Here I just using Google Keyboard or Gboard. You could just directly download from Play Store. So after installing the keyboard or use your keyboard, double tap here, and here in number section, click on this number section first, and then you just need to click on the symbol section again, so you have the equal symbol. So here you just need to long press on the equal symbol, which will have the pop-up, and here you can select the not equal symbol. This is the only way that you can just insert the not equal symbol on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. And if you have any comment out about this, you just can make a comment below. I will make a video about it. And we will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.